Well, good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Matlock Bath in the Peak District. And it's day one of the 4-day trip of the peaks, the lakes and the dales. So we're starting in Matlock Bath today and heading up through the Peak District, up through Monsal Dale Head, Snakes Pass up to Glossop, and then head up via Settle and then up towards the Lake District. Tomorrow is then all the high passes up in the Lake District. And the first pass of the day is today. We're going to do Winnats Pass up at Castleton and have a nice ride up through the Peak District. It was glorious. For the last couple of days it's been absolutely glorious, and then today it's just fine rain and really misty. It'll still be a great day, I think. Yeah, so 4 days. Monday today, do the Peak District today. Tomorrow is Lake District high passes, and then what we're going to do is we're going to have Wednesday up at Kielder Forest, and we're just going to have the day riding around Kielder Forest, and then Thursday come back down. Already starting off with good roads though. Nice twisties to start the day. Yeah, it's not too bad today actually. As soon as that rain stops, it's nice, the sun's sort of popping out a little bit, but yeah, it's a good day. This is what it's all about, these roads, and hopefully lots more of these to come. And the good thing about doing this on a Monday morning is that it's quiet and there's hardly any people around, so pretty much get the roads to yourselves. Brilliant road this is amazing. I don't think I've done this road before. I've been to Bakewell loads of times. I've never been to Matlock Bath, I don't think, but I've certainly not ridden this road. This is amazing. We're going to head up towards Monsal Dale Head now, and then from there head to, once we've done Monsal Dale Head, we'll head up to Castleton and Hope Valley and do Winnats Pass, and then out towards Snakes Pass and then up to Glossop. Said in my other video that I don't come up to the Peak District enough. Brilliant place to come and bring the bike. I'm so spoilt with having Snowdonia on my doorstep that I just tend to sort of ride the bike around there. It's nice. Been planning for this for a while. So the road from Matlock Bath to Bakewell, if you would take out the A6, is an amazing bit of road. I love that bit. Right, let's go into Monsal Dale Head Hotel. Into here. And this is Monsal Dale Head. So this here is Monsal Dale Head. Look at the view down there. been around here before either. Little Longston. So this is what it was all about for me for the Peak District. This trip was to plan all those little roads that I've never been round, because whenever I come to Peak Districts, I'll just do Buxton, Leek, Money Ash and back. That's all I do. It's nice just to sort of go down them, all these undiscovered roads I've never been down before. Just try and avoid the A6 as much as possible, that main road out of Buxton, and try and do these little villages, because they're just stunning, and the roads in between them are all those typical Peak District roads. Welcome to Castleton. Great little place this. So in the distance you can see Mamtor, one of the highest mountains around the Peak District, and then right in front of us we can see Winnats Pass, and we're just going to ride up there. That's an amazing bit of road through there. We're going to ride up through Winnats Pass and then head to Snakes Pass. So this is the first pass of the trip. Absolutely stunning around here. That was the first pass of the day, Winnats Pass. So there's me talking about the weather, and the heavens have just opened, so everything's wet and greasy now. So it's not the best start weather-wise, but we won't let that dampen our spirits, and we shall just crack on and enjoy some of these great roads. What I have to do in a bit, I think, is going to put the camera away, because if I think it's going to open up and heavens open up again, because I've got the mic plugged in on the camera, it's not waterproof, so I might have to put that away in a bit. I don't know how much filming I'm going to be able to do today,